Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about speed and average speed. Okay. So first we will discuss about speed. Okay. So I am taking two examples. This is the first. Initially, at t is equal to 0. The object is at a car is to be at this body is at here. After 5 seconds, that is now the time is 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the object travel 5 meters. Okay. Next, after 10 seconds, the object travel 10 meters. Next, after 15 seconds, 15 meters. Then after 20 seconds, 20 meters. This is the one case, and another example I am going to take, that is initially the body is at t equal to 0 at 0 distance. After 5 seconds, when time is equal to 5 seconds, 10 meter distance. Okay, it's traveled how much? 10 meter. Okay. Then after 10 seconds, this body travel 20 meter. Okay. After 15 seconds, 30 meter distance. Okay. This is the two examples I am taking. So I can say that the second body travel more faster than the first body. How I can say like that? The second body travel more faster than the first body, because in the 5 seconds, the first body travel only 5 meter, but the second body travel 10 meter. So more distance travel. So I can say that this second body travel more faster. That means this we are using a term, that is distance divided by time. If that time is more, we can say that the object is to be more fast. So that time, that is the distance divided by time, that time we are named it as speed. So we can define now speed. It is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. That is to be speed. Distance traveled in unit time is to be speed. So speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay. This, if this value is to be more, here is, you can see that what is the speed of here. Speed for this, speed is equal to distance I am to be taken, this interval. So 5 by 5 seconds. So the speed is what I will get, that is 1 meter per second. Here the speed what I will get, speed is equal to, here what is the distance, that is 10 divided by 5. So I'll get the speed is to be 2 meter per second I'll get. Okay, this is the speed in that time. Okay, so now we will see what is the unit of speed, SI unit of speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. That is the SI unit of speed. Okay, then SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, that's about the speed. Now we will see what is meant by average speed and what is meant by instantaneous speed. For that, first we will see about what is uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed. uniform speed. If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, we can say that that object is moving in uniform speed. Equal distance in equal interval of time, then we can say that the object is moving in uniform speed. An example, we'll take a case like this. Okay, here from this the body started, time is equal to 0, 5 second, 10 second, and time is equal to 15 second. First 5 second 10 meter, next 5 second 20 meter, next 5 second 30 meter. You can see this. In every 5 second, this object is to be travel 10 meter, 10 meter. Okay, so here equal distance in equal interval of time. So we can say that this object is moving in a uniform speed. Next, variable speed. Variable speed means if the distance is not to be equal, so that means the object travel unequal distance in equal interval of time. That case will be said that variable speed. Okay, in reality, all the type of motions are to be variable to speed. Unequal distance in equal interval of time. An example for that, we will see an example. This is the thing. Here the object is travel 5 seconds. Next time is to be 10 seconds. Next time is to be 15 seconds. First it is travel 5 meter. Next 15 meter. Next it is to be travel 17 meter. So you see here, first 5 seconds it is travel 5 meter, next 5 seconds it is travel 10 meter, next 5 seconds it is travel 2 meter. You can see this motion. The distance is not to be equal. The interval of time is to be equal. The distance is not to be equal. So we can say that this object is travel in variable speed. Okay. So in variable speed, we need to say how much is the speed of a motion of an object. So that time we are using a term average speed. Okay, now we will see what is average speed. Average speed means speed of an object at a particular interval of time if it is moving in a variable speed. Okay, if uniform speed, no need to be calculate the average speed. Average speed is equal to the speed. Okay. So in a particular interval, what is the speed? Okay. So that means average speed is equal to the ratio of total distance to the total time. Total time. That means this A, B, T is equal to 0. This is to be how much? Delta X is the distance traveled. Okay, how much for the time for this? Delta T. It is a T time, T1 time, something we can take it as. How much is the time? Delta T time. Okay, so in between A and B, this object is to be movable. An object is to be moving with variable speed. So what is the total distance it is covered? It is to be covered delta x and the total time is to be delta t. Then we can say average speed is equal to, average speed is a ratio of total distance divided by total time. So what is the total distance here? That is delta x. What is the total time? That is delta t. Okay. This is about the average speed. Next we will see what is instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed means at a particular instant. What is the speed? That means if a body travels from one place to another. So we want to say particular instant what is the speed of the object. That means in a 10 o'clock what is the speed of the object. That I need to find out. What is the exact speed at a particular instant. That we want to see it. Okay. So instantaneous speed means it is the limiting value of the average speed when delta t approaches to 0. Speed of the object at a particular instant of time. How will you calculate it? Instantaneous speed is equal to limiting value of the average speed when the delta t approaches to 0. That means you see this, if at a particular instant I need to find it. So you can see that this delta t reduces to what? This instant, this small instant I need to find it. So I can say that limit as delta t tends to 0, delta x divided by delta t. If delta t is approaches to 0, what is the distance divided by what is the time? That is the instantaneous speed. That we can write like this also, dx divided by dt. What is dx divided by dt? That is a derivative of distance x with respect to time. Distance x with respect to time. With respect to time t. Okay, this way we can say that this is the instantaneous velocity at a instantaneous speed at a particular instant. Okay, in your car there is a device that is speedometer. That speedometer will clearly say how much is the speed of the car or a vehicle at a particular instant. Clear? That is to be measured in kilometer per hour. Clear? This is about the speed and average speed. Okay.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like